Transforming your PDF workflow starts here, as we unlock the power of Dochub for seamless signing and editing. First things first, let's get your PDF into Dochub. You can easily upload a file directly from your computer. Just click the Upload button and select your document. Now let's tackle signatures. To add your signature, locate and click the Sign button. You'll then see options to type, draw, or upload an existing signature. For most users, drawing your signature is quick and intuitive. Simply use your mouse or stylus to create your unique mark. Once satisfied, you can drag and drop it onto the desired location in your document and resize it as needed. Beyond signing, Dochub shines with its annotation capabilities. Need to highlight important sections? Select the Highlight tool. Want to underline key phrases? Use the Underline option, and for adding quick notes, the Text Box tool is incredibly handy. Filling out forms becomes a breeze. Dochub intelligently recognizes form fields, allowing you to directly type in your information with ease. Just click on a field and start typing. Making text edits is straightforward. Click on any existing text, and a cursor will appear, enabling you to delete, add, or modify words and sentences directly within the PDF. Similarly, you can edit images, whether you need to add a new image to your document or replace an existing one. Dochub provides simple tools to manage your visuals efficiently. Once you've made all your necessary changes, simply click the Download button to save your finalized PDF. It's that simple to sign, edit, and manage your PDF documents with Dochub.